Wind's picking up, pushing, low 30s now. It's gonna be a long night. So we're here at Warderick Wells. There's a really nasty front coming in. We're starting to get winds around like upper 20s. And that's gonna be tonight, and then it's really gonna clock around. Right now it's straight out of the west, and it's really difficult in the Bahamas to get west protection. So that's why this place here is really important. You can't really anchor within the park, only in certain designated areas, and those aren't really protected. So there's a whole bunch of people that scrambled down here earlier this week to get a mooring ball, us included. We've been watching this storm pretty close as we can, because there's no data or cell coverage here, unless you walk all the way to the top of Boo Boo Hill. It's this one here. Not huge, but it's enough to get a cell signal from Staniel Cay, which is like 20 miles south of here. It's starting to rain a little bit, but I want to walk out and show you guys. We're at about 20 knots right now. We were at about 26 earlier, but I went ahead and I added some chafing gear and doubled up the lines on the mooring here, which I do anyway. This wind's supposed to clock around from the north, which is here for us. We're pretty protected. A little more protected from the north than we are from the west. And then if it's northeast, it'll be coming from right here, which you see we have pretty much the whole island there in this bank. And at one point they were predicting gusts at 50 knots. I think that's died down a little, thankfully. But we should be getting, 30 knot, 35 knot sustain, and probably up to 40 to 45 knot gusts. So it's going to be a ride, and this should last all night tonight and all day tomorrow. So yeah, cleaning day. It might be a rocky cleaning day. Yeah, we'll be inside. It's okay. Yeah, it's good because we've been doing all kinds of fun stuff. Today I did a whole bunch of chores. Fixed the generator again. The fuel filter was clogged, so I changed that. The shower box needed to be cleaned out. Fuse for the bilge pump was corroded. The shaft packing was dripping a little much, so I tightened that. Our drinking water filter was leaking, and I had to change the filter for the water maker because that was clogged too. As the night progresses, this should get interesting. Wind's picking up. Pushing low 30s now, and it's shifted out of more probably the northwest. It's gonna be a long night.
The Adventures of King Arthur.
Look at King Arthur's servant as he rigorously fetches the royal tender. The king, proudly perched and patiently waiting for his daily pee-pee excursion, can't help but wonder why this ninny hammer has fashioned such a long painter. Moreover, why is this nitty-notty manhandling His Royal Highness? I dare not say what happened last time he was so bullish. Let's just say it rhymes with procrastination. To top it off, this jobbernowl doesn't bother to untie or even start the engine. Such strange behavior. Testing the king's patience he is. He knows to carry Arthur to dry land. But what is this? A challenge? Fool. Arthur was all kingdom track team during prep school. This dizzard is no match for the king's speed and agility. He's only going to hurt himself. See? The servant concedes and hoists the king as the victor. Not that he had a choice. Idiot. So it blew pretty good all night. It's rough in this calm little anchorage normally. It's white capping in here. That's funny, white capping, it's only like a foot or two deep over there, although it is high tide. Boats are rocking, boats are moving. So I think this is what we're gonna get until this afternoon. It'll die out and it'll actually be 10 to 15 tomorrow. And I think we're gonna take that opportunity to get out of here and head south to Staniel Cay Saturday, Sunday. It's gonna be more of this, except more from the northeast rather than the northwest. So we'll be on the lee side of the island. We should be okay. And just enough window to get down. It's only about 20 miles, so 3 to 4 hours. Shouldn't be a problem. No, it's pretty rough out. We gotta take Arthur out and see if he'll pee on deck. I really don't want to deal with this wind and waves. Okay. Not a care in the world other than where do I make a pee-pee. You wanna go out? Go on. No. Come up here. Come on. Good boy. Wow. He's really going. Wow, good boy. Departing Warderick Wells, we have about a 24-hour weather window to get down near Staniel Cay, find a new anchorage before the winds pick up again tomorrow into the 30 knot range, 25 to 30 knot range. We're gonna get that the rest of the weekend.
Shut up! I know we're in the Bahamas, freezing.
Why do you tell that to all my family in Minnesota?
Hey guys, it's like 70 degrees and I'm freezing. Love ya. Hey, I'm from Florida. What do you want me to do? You're not cold?
Not really. These guys. It's funny, you see these yachts around like Florida marinas and there's a couple here and there. Get down here and they're just like everywhere. It's like not even interesting anymore. We were wondering if they think the same about us sailboaters.
Oh, there's
like, there's another dirtbag sailor. Ragbagger getting in my way. It's been a while since we've had some good sailing, but today's pretty good. Where are we going?
We're going to try an anchorage just south of Staniel Cay called, what is it called?
Well, I think first we're going to go to the big majors and check those out just north of Staniel Cay.
However, people say it's crowded, but we'll check it out.
Crowded's okay, except that it's going to blow like 30 knots for like 2 days straight. Right?
Yeah, so we want to check out, what is it called? Something guana?
Bitter Guana Cay.
Bitter Guana Cay.
Arthur, you want to swim with the sharks? Yeah, no, he said no.
But I must try to figure it out alone. Yeah, I must try to figure it